All right, so up top here, I'm gonna make it a little darker blue because that's gonna be more like a pond. So I'll just mix in a little bit more of the blue. Start to flatten this out. And again, yes, it could have been put on first. And there is our little pond. And again, you can use your tools to kind of push it in where it needs to go. And voila. Okay, is our sign ready? If I'm really careful, it's ready. Let me make sure. Sorry, I'll turn it back to you. Don't worry, don't panic. It's gonna go right about there. Like that. And I need to push both in at the same time. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave there because it slid a little. And if I want to move it further down later, actually I like that height because now what I can do is actually add, I was looking at these fence pieces, my leftover ones. That would kind of tie that brown in up here. So if I just break some of these, use the pink chocolate. Cute, it's just so cute. Don't fall out in the middle. There we go. We could put a little piece in there, I guess. I kind of like it without, actually. So I'm leaving it because it's my cake. That's right. That's right. That's what I can do. Okay, I want to show you this first. I've got a couple of greens mixed together. This is the AmeriColor leaf green and also AmeriColor electric green. I had them separate, mixed them together and put a little white so that they're all kind of marbleized. And I'll go ahead and fill my bags. And this is going to kind of finish off some of the areas around the tiers and just make it look a little bit neater. So just cut, so there's no tip or anything. I'm just going to cut a little bit off, and then anywhere like around here, like around the little river. You're probably wondering what we're doing with the back of that cake there. We'll get to it, don't worry. Around here. In this area here, build that up. You can have some of it come, down over a little bit. All of this needs some. Let's get in here, around our path. So like right there, I had it kind of hang down a little, kind of like it like that. Okay. All right, so I just need to get another bag. It's easier to do it this way with the bag than it is to do it with a spatula, but you can do it that way if you prefer.